Alright, babe, so this right here I'll be making a cute denim bag out of, which is some denim jeans that I cut up, some old denim jeans. And I'm going to get started on a quick denim bag, and it's going to be a quick mini denim bag. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing, and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewing tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to actually start by cutting open leg jean, which is already put together. I just cut the bottom of it. Would love for you babes to hit that like button so others can have a chance to hear a good word or see a good project through the algorithm. And I have it cut open with one leg sewn still, and I'm going to go ahead and fold it halfway. And it's folded halfway just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and cut a small square just like this right here on the side. And I'm also going to do it over here on the other side. Alright, so I cut the pieces right here, and it should look like triangles like that. And this piece right here, babe, I'm just going to fold it in half and just cut some handles out. So I'm going to actually use the jean sides and strap them on for the strap handles on the purse instead of creating my own handles. And this right here, y'all, is what I use to actually cut. I measured this right here, which is a broad strap pattern right here, and all I do is cut out the broad strap patterns just like this. Also on this where I had it already cut at, I'm going to go ahead and sew the sides first. I don't have them pinned down because it's kind of easy to sew. I don't think I need to have them pinned down, but I need to make sure that the sides are even. And I mean even by like the corners together, and go ahead and just sew the sides, and then I'm going to come down and sew the bottom part second. So I have the sewed down now, and I wanted to make sure I go ahead and fold the bottom part, half together. And I'm going to go ahead and sew the bottom part. And this is how the bottom piece should look. It is inside out right now. And I have the bottom sewn down. I just went, horizontal, I believe, which is this way. Vertical is this way for the long sew at the top, but vertical at the bottom where the closing is at is going to be horizontal, and it should look just like that. And just turn it inside out. And you turn it inside out and it look just like this. This is a shorter one that I did, and this is the taller one that I did. But I put both a roll bottom at the top of the purse, and all I have to do is just add the handles. And this is how the denim mini bag is looking. This is how it's looking with the strings added. I added the denim mini strings that are from the jeans as well. All I did was just sew them onto the side of the denim bag. But this is the complete denim bag right here, babes. And if you really enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to show love, and make sure you press that like, and don't forget to comment and subscribe.